On February 13, 2025, during a video conference at the World Government Summit in Dubai, Elon Musk announced that Grok 3, the latest version of his AI chatbot developed by xAI, is in its final stages and is expected to be released within the next couple of weeks. Musk described Grok 3 as scary smart, claiming it has the capability to outperform existing chatbots, including industry front-runners like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Musk elaborated that Grok 3's training methodology is distinctive as it utilizes synthetic data rather than primarily relying on real-world data, which is the standard approach for many competing chatbots. This synthetic training allows Grok 3 to learn from its mistakes and achieve logical consistency, a feature Musk believes gives it a competitive edge. The announcement comes amid an ongoing rivalry with Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, with whom Musk co-founded OpenAI as a non-profit in 2015. Musk has been openly critical of Altman's decision to transition OpenAI to a for-profit model, viewing it as a departure from the organization's original mission. This feud has escalated to the point where Musk proposed a $97.4 billion bid for OpenAI, but Altman rejected the offer, alleging it was a tactic to undermine their progress. Musk's comments during the conference also touched on his broader ambitions in the tech and AI sectors. In addition to leading xAI, he is advising the Trump administration on modernizing federal technology and cutting government spending. Musk drew parallels between his corporate strategies and governmental operations, suggesting that efficiency improvements are necessary on both fronts. Despite Grok AI's innovative features, it currently holds a small market share compared to its larger competitors. ChatGPT, for instance, commands a significant 62.5% of the AI tools market. However, Grok AI's integration with X, formerly Twitter, provides it with unique access to real-time data, which could enhance user engagement and result in less generic responses. Musk acknowledged that Grok has faced controversies, particularly regarding the dissemination of political misinformation, raising questions about its reliability compared to more established chatbots. Despite these challenges, Musk expressed confidence in Grok 3's potential to disrupt the chatbot landscape, especially as it approaches its release. In summary, with Grok 3's release on the horizon, the tech community is closely watching its capabilities and Musk's ongoing rivalry with OpenAI, as it could have significant implications for the future of AI chatbots. Elon Musk's announcement regarding Grok 3, the AI chatbot developed by his company xAI, presents several counterintuitive points worth noting. 1. Synthetic versus real-world data training. Musk claims that Grok 3's training on synthetic data gives it an edge over competitors like ChatGPT, which primarily relies on real-world data. The counterintuitive aspect here is that while one might assume real-world data rich in human context and nuances would yield a more sophisticated AI, Musk argues that synthetic data allows Grok 3 to learn from its mistakes more effectively. This implies that a departure from traditional training methodologies can lead to superior performance, challenging the conventional wisdom that more authentic data is always better. 2. Market positioning. Despite Musk's confident assertions about Grok 3's capabilities, Grok AI currently occupies a significantly smaller market share compared to ChatGPT, which holds 62.5% of the market. This disparity raises the question of how a product touted as scary smart could emerge from a less established player in a crowded field. It suggests a potential disconnect between technological superiority and market success, illustrating that innovation alone does not guarantee consumer adoption or trust. 3. Controversies and reliability. Grok has faced issues with disseminating political misinformation, which contrasts with the more established reputations of competitors like ChatGPT and Gemini. This situation is counterintuitive because one would expect a new and supposedly superior AI model to have more stringent controls against such issues. Instead, it raises concerns about the reliability and ethical implications of using Grok, suggesting that being scary smart does not necessarily equate to being responsible or trustworthy. 4. Critique of OpenAI's transition. Musk's criticism of OpenAI's transition from a non-profit to a for-profit model highlights an ironic twist. He views this move as a betrayal of the company's original mission, yet he himself is pursuing a massive bid to acquire OpenAI, which could be seen as a conflict of interest. This juxtaposition brings forth the notion that even as Musk champions innovation and ethical AI practices, his actions may contradict his stated principles, revealing a complexity in the motivations behind competitive rivalries in the tech industry. 5. Integration with X, formerly Twitter. Grok 3's integration with X is suggested to provide it with real-time data to enhance user engagement. However, the irony lies in the fact that while real-time data can enrich responses, it also exposes the AI to the chaotic and often unreliable information prevalent on social media platforms. This reliance on a platform known for misinformation challenges the notion that real-time data access is inherently beneficial for AI development. 6. Ambitions in government efficiency. Musk's advisory role in the Trump administration, where he advocates for cutting government programs and modernizing technology, presents a counterintuitive scenario. One might expect a tech leader to push for more investment in technology and innovation, yet Musk's focus is on efficiency through budget cuts. This perspective suggests a belief that less can be more, contradicting the common narrative that more funding and resources are necessary for progress. These counterintuitive points reflect the complexities and contradictions inherent in the rapidly evolving field of AI, as well as the dynamics of competition and innovation among major players like Musk and Altman. The report on Elon Musk's upcoming Grok 3 chatbot reveals several significant themes that may go unnoticed by the general public. These themes highlight the competitive dynamics in the AI industry, Musk's strategic positioning, and the implications of synthetic training data, which are crucial for understanding the future of AI applications. 1. Synthetic data versus real-world data. One of the most significant yet potentially overlooked aspects of the Grok 3 announcement is Musk's emphasis on the use of synthetic data for training the chatbot. While many existing AI systems, including OpenAI's ChatGPT, rely heavily on real-world data, Grok 3's synthetic data approach allows for a unique learning mechanism. This method enables the AI to reflect on its mistakes and achieve logical consistency more effectively. Significance. The significance of this lies in the potential for Grok 3 to outperform competitors in reasoning tasks, as Musk claims. Traditional AI systems can struggle with bias and inaccuracies inherent in real-world data, which can lead to glitches and ethical concerns. By utilizing synthetic data, Grok 3 could potentially offer more reliable and unbiased outputs, setting a new standard in AI development. 2. Market position and rivalry dynamics. Musk's rivalry with Sam Altman and OpenAI is another critical angle that the report touches upon. Musk's critique of OpenAI's transition from a non-profit to a for-profit model indicates a philosophical divide regarding the direction of AI development. His proposed bid of $97.4 billion for OpenAI underscores the high stakes involved in the AI sector. Significance. This rivalry is significant as it reflects broader tensions in the tech ecosystem regarding ethical AI development. Musk's insistence on a more altruistic approach to AI contrasts sharply with the profit-driven motives of many tech companies. This could influence public perception of AI, where consumers may favor platforms that align more closely with ethical considerations. 3. Integration with X, formerly Twitter. Musk's integration of Grok 3 with X is another vital detail that could be overlooked. This integration allows Grok 3 to access real-time data from the social media platform, which could enhance its engagement capabilities and make it more relevant to users seeking timely and contextual interactions. Significance. The ability to pull in live data gives Grok 3 a competitive edge in providing responses that are not only accurate but also contextually aware of current events. This could redefine user expectations for AI chatbots, pushing other competitors to adapt or enhance their capabilities to keep pace. 4. Controversies and reliability concerns. Despite its promising features, Grok 3 has faced controversies, particularly regarding its potential to disseminate misinformation, which has been criticized for allowing the spread of political disinformation. Significance: this raises questions about the reliability and ethical implications of using AI in sensitive areas like politics. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, the potential for misuse becomes a critical concern. Users might have to navigate the duality of AI as a tool for information and as a potential disseminator of falsehoods. 5. Musk's broader technological vision. Musk's role as an advisor to the Trump administration on modernizing federal technology offers insight into his broader ambitions. His desire to apply corporate strategies to government operations suggests a vision for efficiency and innovation that aligns with his entrepreneurial background. Significance: this intersection of private and public sector strategies could lead to significant shifts in how technology is adopted and regulated within government frameworks. The implications of this could stretch beyond AI, influencing areas such as data privacy, cybersecurity, and public service delivery. Conclusion. In conclusion, the insights surrounding Grok 3 reveal a multifaceted landscape of innovation, rivalry, and ethical considerations in AI. The emphasis on synthetic data, the competitive dynamics with OpenAI, the integration with X, and the potential for misinformation all point to a rapidly evolving sector that requires careful scrutiny. As Grok 3 approaches its release, the broader implications of Musk's ambitions and the technology's reliability will be pivotal in shaping the future of AI applications and their societal impact. 1. Innovative training methodology. One of the most valuable points in the discussion surrounding Grok 3 is its unique approach to training. Unlike many competitors that rely heavily on real-world data, Grok 3 is trained on synthetic data. This allows the chatbot to learn from its mistakes and achieve logical consistency, which Musk argues enhances its performance and reasoning capabilities. This methodological innovation could represent a significant shift in how AI models are developed and could influence future AI training practices across the industry. 2. Market position and competitive landscape. Despite Musk's bold claims about Grok 3 being scary smart, it faces an uphill battle in terms of market presence. Currently, Grok AI holds a much smaller share compared to ChatGPT, which dominates with a 62.5% market share. The integration of Grok AI with X, formerly Twitter, offers it unique real-time data capabilities appealing to a specific user base. However, the chatbot's past controversies, such as disseminating political misinformation, cast doubt on its reliability and could hinder its ability to compete effectively against established players. 3. Elon Musk's feud with OpenAI. The ongoing rivalry between Musk and OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman adds a layer of drama to the narrative. Musk's criticism of Altman's transition from a non-profit to a for-profit model highlights the philosophical divide regarding the commercialization of AI technologies. Musk's proposal to acquire OpenAI for $97.4 billion, which Altman rejected, underscores the tensions in the AI landscape and raises questions about the future direction of AI development and governance. For her broader implications for AI development and governance, Musk's involvement in advising the Trump administration on technology modernization reflects his broader ambitions regarding AI's role in society. His comments regarding the need for government efficiency and spending cuts suggest a desire to align corporate strategies with governmental operations. This dual role raises essential questions about the relationship between private tech initiatives and public policy, particularly as AI continues to integrate more deeply into various sectors of society. The implications of such interactions could shape the regulatory environment and ethical considerations surrounding AI technologies moving forward. 1. The development of the atomic bomb Manhattan Project. During World War II, the United States undertook a massive research and development project known as the Manhattan Project, which aimed to build the first nuclear weapons. This effort was characterized by intense secrecy and urgency, paralleling the race to innovate in AI technology today. Scientists like J. Robert Oppenheimer, who led the project, faced moral dilemmas similar to those discussed in AI ethics today. The project culminated in the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, raising questions about the implications of advanced technology on humanity. 2. The space race. The Cold War era saw a fierce competition between the United States and the Soviet Union for supremacy in space exploration. This period was marked by significant technological innovations and ideological battles reminiscent of the current AI landscape, where companies and nations vie for leadership in artificial intelligence. The launch of Sputnik by the USSR in 1957 and the subsequent Apollo moon landing in 1969 symbolized the heights of human ingenuity and the race for technological dominance. Much like the race between Musk's XAI and OpenAI today. 3. The rise of the Internet and dot-com boom. In the late 1990s, the rapid development of the Internet transformed communication, commerce, and information dissemination. This period was characterized by innovative startups, significant venture capital investments, and intense competition among tech companies, paralleling the current surge in AI development. Just as companies like Amazon and Google emerged from the dot-com boom, the AI landscape today is witnessing the rise of major players like OpenAI and Musk's XAI, with debates surrounding ethics, market share, and the future of technology. Future outlook. Predictions for Grok 3 and the AI landscape. As Grok 3 approaches its release, the AI landscape is set for significant shifts. Driven by Elon Musk's ambitious vision and the evolving dynamics among leading AI players. Here are key predictions regarding Grok 3 and the broader implications for the AI industry. 1. Grok 3's market penetration. While Grok 3 is touted as scary smart, its integration with the X platform may be a double-edged sword. The potential for real-time data access can enhance user engagement and provide unique responses. However, Grok's limited availability on X could hinder widespread adoption. Predictably, Grok may capture a niche audience, initially appealing to those seeking a more personalized and engaging chatbot experience. However, significant market share against established competitors like ChatGPT, which commands over 60% of the market, will be challenging. 2. Synthetic data utilization. Musk's emphasis on synthetic training data could pave the way for new AI training methodologies. If Grok 3 successfully demonstrates superior reasoning and logical consistency, it may encourage competitors to explore synthetic data as a viable alternative. This shift could lead to advancements in AI capabilities, particularly in critical reasoning tasks and error correction, altering the industry's approach to training models. 3. Competitive dynamics with OpenAI and others. The rivalry between Musk and Sam Altman may escalate as both entities vie for dominance in the AI space. Musk's proposed bid for OpenAI, despite being rejected, signifies a desire to reshape the competitive landscape. As Grok 3 is released, expect intensified marketing campaigns and more aggressive product updates from both XAI and OpenAI. The competition could spark innovations aimed at improving AI reliability and ethical standards, especially given Musk's critiques of OpenAI's shift to a for-profit model. 4. Addressing controversies and ethical concerns. Grok has faced backlash over disseminating misinformation and political biases. As AI chatbots increasingly play roles in shaping public opinion, the industry will likely see a heightened focus on ethical AI practices. Grok 3 will need robust mechanisms to mitigate the risks associated with misinformation and biases. This could lead to broader industry standards for AI transparency and accountability, fostering consumer trust. 5. Global AI landscape and geopolitical factors. The rise of competitors like DeepSeek highlights a shifting global AI landscape. As non-US players gain traction, particularly in open-source models, American companies may feel pressured to innovate rapidly. Expect more collaborations and partnerships between tech firms and governments worldwide, focusing on AI governance and ethical standards. This will likely spur regulatory discussions aimed at ensuring competitive fairness and data protection. 6. Consumer expectations and AI personalization. The demand for more personalized and context-aware AI interactions will continue to grow. Users will expect chatbots to not only answer queries but also understand the nuances of individual preferences and behaviors. Grok 3's unique programming may cater to this demand, setting a precedent for future chatbot developments. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, consumer expectations around conversational AI will redefine how companies approach product development. 7. Expansion of AI applications. As Grok 3 evolves, its applications may extend beyond traditional chatbot functions, influencing sectors such as customer service, education, and even healthcare. The ability to provide real-time, contextually relevant information can revolutionize how industries interact with consumers. If successful, Grok 3 could inspire a new wave of AI innovations targeting specific sectors. Enhancing efficiency and user experience. 8. Future of AI governance. The ongoing discussions around AI ethics and governance will intensify. Musk's involvement with the Trump administration and his critiques of existing AI frameworks suggest that regulatory environments may shift. The industry may see new guidelines focusing on AI's societal impact, data privacy, and ethical use, reflecting growing public concern over AI's role in decision-making processes. In conclusion, Grok 3's impending release is a pivotal moment in the AI industry, poised to reshape market dynamics, consumer expectations, and ethical considerations. As Musk's vision unfolds, the landscape will experience significant transformations driven by innovation, competition, and a collective push for responsible AI use. The next few years will be crucial in determining how these elements interact, ultimately defining the future of AI technology.